I create this entire scene using just 3 assets: a car, a container, and this thing that I don't know what to call it, and one magical node. All I did was copy the object, and the colors change automatically, and they don't look repetitive. Let me show you how it works, and yes, the Blender scene file is available for free in description. Here's the node that does all the works, and to make it work, I connect the random socket to the hue socket of the hue saturation value node. And now, if I change the color, every time I copy the object, it automatically gets a new color. But who wants an old pink BMW? For more control, I add a color ramp and put it on constant. Then add a bunch of new sliders, make them like car color, and here we go. But for container, it needs a trick. When I use it for container, the metal bar and stickers are also colored. So I add a color ramp and mask them. Then I mix it with the random color. And it's done. You can use this method in so many places. Like, I added it to this water tank for this rooftop. So when I copy it, it changed the color slightly different. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also the scene link is in description. See you.